Hey, brothers and sisters. Brother Barry Scarborough had a message today, Dreams of Lions Protecting Us, Rapture Soon. And this is Barry Scarborough's channel. Definitely subscribe to him. He's a wonderful brother in the Lord. He has a lot of prophetic dreams, and he speaks on Bible prophecy and God's grace, and he's just a wonderful, wonderful, uplifting brother. The interesting thing about him posting this today was last night I went on my computer and I was looking at the video where my daughter was saying, coming soon. And I just wanted to have that feeling of, looking through some of the amazing messages that God has laid on my daughter's heart. And I also looked at this message because I just really wanted to look it over and think, this is amazing. Like, how? So this was about lions protecting us. This conversation with my daughter, October 13, 2017. And the interesting thing is she's like 3.5 now, and she doesn't say these things anymore. This was just when she was really, really little. She used to talk like this all the time. So it's like God speaks to those little hearts so that you know that it's from Him. So this is, the symbolism's unbelievable. So anyways, lion gonna pick me up, lion gonna pick you up. And then I asked, and take us where? To heaven. Jesus, sheep rest. Dragon roar at the sheep. I'm gonna kick the dragon. So this makes so much sense to me. It's so clear in my heart and in my mind what this means. Lion gonna pick me up. So if she was talking about the rapture, and if she for some reason, was just wanting to repeat what she's heard or something, she would say, Jesus gonna pick me up and take me to heaven. She doesn't know about the lion representing Jesus, lion from the tribe of Judah. And take us where? To heaven. And then Jesus, sheep rest. And of course, we need that rest. We are groaning inwardly, as Romans 8 talks about. We're groaning inwardly as we await for our adoption, the redemption of our bodies. Dragon roar at sheep, and that has been happening since the beginning of the church. The enemy has been attacking Jesus's sheep. He's been attacking the body of Christ, us. He is the accuser of the brethren. He's roaring at the sheep, and I think we all feel that right now. The dragon's roaring at the sheep. I'm going to kick the dragon. Now that is really interesting because it says that the enemy is going to be your footstool. He's going to make your enemies your footstool. So it's like, wow, my little 2-year-old's going to kick the dragon. Wow. It's like, this is unbelievable. And it's just more evidence, more signs. Acts 2:17. It's so much. And it shall come to pass in the last days, saith God, I will pour out my spirit upon all flesh, and your sons and your daughters shall prophesy, and your young men shall see visions, and your old men shall dream dreams. So we're seeing all these prophecies converging together, and we're also seeing an unbelievable amount of rapture dreams and He's pouring out His Spirit on all flesh. Rapture dreams, end times dreams. There's just so much. And then that little girl who sang Abba up. unbelievable. I've watched this before, but this one's not my daughter. My daughter is this one right here. But yeah, it is something. He's pouring out his spirit upon all flesh. And I just wanted to make this video to remind you all that Jesus is coming soon, and some of the things we're seeing, we have no preconceived notion about it.
Hey brothers and sisters, I just wanted to revisit why I started Rapture Watchers.
So this is why I started Rapture Watchers. This video right here, this one is revisited, but when you go through it, you'll see there's a bunch of symbolism that appeared in my dream that I didn't know about either. And this is when I started Rapture Watchers. And why I started Rapture Watchers, because I felt led to do it. And it's just been amazing. God has truly, truly blessed this community. And not just the Rapture Watchers community. Bro Chad, Watchman on the Wall 88, and Bro Todd, and Barry Scarborough, and all those watchmen out there, the Watchmen, and there's so many out there who are just sounding the alarm of Jesus' soon return, and it's really exciting. I just wanted this message to encourage you, because he's really pouring out his spirit on all flesh, and he's doing what he said he would do, and this is not to be taken lightly. Sometimes when you see somebody have a dream and you don't know the person, it's like, well, it's somebody else's dream. You might not think that much about it. But if these dreams are really true, and if what the people are saying is true, then God is really pouring out his spirit in these last days. And I know every account that has happened in my life and my daughter's life, those are true. Those are from my life. I'm speaking the truth. And I know many others are speaking the truth too. So it's just really, really exciting and encouraging. So I just wanted to remind you guys of this as well. And just to remind you all to keep looking up. Your redemption is definitely drawing near. God bless you all. Maranatha.